For those who would like, we're going to show those three steps that we just did in the previous chapter, but we're going to do them slowly so that you have time to follow along with us and to see each place broken down. So this is the first one where we, not chronologically, but stepwise. We're going to do it on step 3 of the basic. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now how do you get into front ochos? He changes weight and pivots her. So I'm changing weight and pivoting her. And then we step side, pivot. And so for the leaders, if you watch that, you've got side, forward, forward. I stop just a hair early so she doesn't cross. I start pivoting her and changing weight. And then we can go into that front ocho. For the followers, this actually is an opportunity for beautiful embellishment. Let's do that one more time.
When we talk about waiting and we talk about active waiting. Waiting is really harder than it seems for the follower. It really just means exactly what it sounds like. We stand tall on whatever ball of the foot the man put us on, or the leader put us on, and then we let him do us both. And when we get so that we can really do that, it makes everything so much easier.
Yes. So we'll do the second variation now. This was at the cross, side, 1, 2, cross. That's the 4th step. Now once again, I'm going to change weight, and then I'm going to pivot her, and she's going to pivot on her left foot, the crossed foot. And there are ochos. And then if we want, you can go straight back to that tango close. For the leaders, the thing I want you to think about, 2 things actually. One is, like every other step, if you make sure she's on the ball of that foot, and then just pivot her. Even though she's in a cross, she still can. And I want to make that point for the followers too, that just because she's getting across now, right there, she's on her left foot, so it's funny, but she can still pivot. And it's actually, once again, a beautiful embellishment. A lot of wonderful things come out of the cross. So let's do that again. New angle, actually. I change my weight, not hers. There's that pivot. And now our last combination, which was after the cross. Here, new angle, why not? So we went side. And now I change my weight, not hers. Or again. After the cross, I change my weight, not hers, pivot her, and then once again into the front ochos. And so once again, I want to emphasize that the transition is just that for the follower you wait and you pivot, and even if you're in a cross like this, whatever direction you pivot to, you pivot that way and then you can go. Or even if you're going to a cross like this, you can still go in whatever direction he takes you. And for the leaders, that really is, wherever you are, you change your weight, not hers, and you pivot her.